Welcome to our GoFunnelBox review. If you're looking for an all-in-one sales and marketing solution to help you grow and manage your online business, then GoFunnelBox might be the answer. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, GoFunnelBox is an all-in-one sales and marketing solution packed with premium tools, software, resources, and assistance that you need to manage and scale your online business effectively. It primarily targets affiliate marketers, business owners, and coaches but can be used by any business that wants to use funnels and automation. One of the standout features of GoFunnelBox is its seamless integration with Stripe and PayPal, which makes it easier and faster to get paid. Whether you need to send invoices, manage subscriptions, or accept payments online or in person, GoFunnelBox offers one-time, recurring, and invoice-based payment options. You can get approved and connect to your bank account in minutes. GoFunnelBox also offers over 25 tools in one software, including website and funnel builders, email and SMS marketing, appointment scheduling, membership sites, and more. You can customize your funnels and landing pages with pre-made templates and a drag-and-drop editor. You can also create one-click upsells, trial payment plans, and recurring subscriptions to maximize your revenue. If you're concerned about the cost, you'll be glad to know that GoFunnelBox is available for a one-time payment of $497, which gives you lifetime access to all the tools and updates. This makes it more affordable than other sales and marketing solutions that charge monthly fees. What do users have to say about GoFunnelBox? According to user feedback, GoFunnelBox is a game changer for online businesses. Users appreciate the all-in-one solution that saves them time and money. They also appreciate the seamless integration with Stripe and PayPal that makes it easier to get paid. Some users also note that the customer support is excellent, and the team is always responsive and helpful. In summary, GoFunnelBox is an all-in-one sales and marketing solution that offers a range of tools and features to help businesses grow and manage their online presence effectively. It's affordable, easy to use, and comes with excellent customer support. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can help you maximize your revenue and streamline your online business, GoFunnelBox is worth considering. For more detail, watch this tutorial.
Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Ronald, a founder of GoFunnelBox. Now, today I'm going to walk you through what is exactly our GoFunnelBox is all about and what's in it for your business and how it's going to work at the end. So, now, first things first. Our GoFunnelBox is all about all-in-one software marketing tools. You don't really need to have like all separate softwares. You're going to open all these different tabs and all using it in different ways because every software works differently. Then you have to learn how to use ClickFunnels, how to use Kajabi, how to use GetResponse or Aweber. You have to learn all that all separately. It's very daunting. So I'm going to talk about the problems. That's what's going on in this industry right now, and what is the problem that we are solving through our GoFunnelBox later on. So before that, I'd like to walk you through how actually our GoFunnelBox works in your business. So what is that we use in our business? Mostly, we build a funnel, website, right? And then we drive traffic, and then we collect people's name and email, and then we have to send their email to nurture people so we can follow them, and then we can nurture them again to build a trust, and at the end, we close sales. Now, what if you can automate this system in your business? How is it going to make your life easier, right? That is right. It's just that most people really don't know how to use the software properly. And another problem is that there isn't any like support in ClickFunnels. I mean, they do have really great support, but it doesn't mean they're gonna go like walk you through how to actually use ClickFunnels and so on and so on. And it's really daunting, but if you're trying to figure it out all by yourself, that is why our GoFunnelBox is very special. So now, first, there's so many things inside that you can utilize with our GoFunnelBox. You can actually check that out in our funnel. But today I'm going to walk you through something very essential that we use every day in our business. So first things first, if you see here, this is the main dashboard that anybody who hop in to log in to our GoFunnelBox, and this is the screen that you're gonna see. On the left menu bar is all the control tab that you need to utilize to use our GoFunnelBox. It's very easy to navigate, guys. It's all here. Now, if you want to build funnels, websites, blogs, courses, forms, surveys, and so on, all you need to do is go to sites. It's a very simple thing. Any site you want to build, you just go to site. You click it. Now, when you come to this page, and on the top menu bar, there is another sub menus where you can navigate easily. So right now we are in Funnels tab, where we'll build auto funnels. So I'm going to show you how funnel building actually works. I already opened a new tab here, so I'm gonna go here, right? So this is our funnel editor. It's very easy to use. If you ever use ClickFunnels in your life, it's actually same. The quality is top-notch. Our engineer is supported by the company, where their company is a $250 million company. It's huge. There's no question. You don't need to ask any question about the quality of our software. Now, it's all drag and drop. It's very easy to use. Right now, what you're seeing here is our my dummy template. Yes, you can build your funnel instantly, and then I also walk you through together how to build a funnels properly too. So you don't need to worry about anything when you hop into our GoFunnelBox. So this is how we use it. It's very easy to use, right? All it's drag and drop thing, guys. All drag and drop. Now, also you can build a website, and then you can build the blogs. Now, the funny thing about blog site in our GoFunnelBox is that we have a built-in SEO optimization system. So you can actually get some support inside of our system, where people can actually optimize their SEO properly. So how awesome is that, right? It's all in one single place. Now, if you want to build your courses, unlimited number of courses, now you can go into membership area, and then you can build unlimited number of courses as you want, right? Usually, if we trying to use Kajabi, I also use Kajabi for a couple of years now. We have the basic plan is like $150 per month, and you have to you only can make only 3 products, 3 offers. If you want to make more, then you gotta pay $297 per month to use it. But in our GoFunnelBox, it's all in one place. You can use it unlimited number. You can build unlimited number of funnels, website, blogs, membership area, forms, surveys. You can also make a quiz surveys, and then chat widget. How awesome is that? Now, chat widget is what it's something like this. If you see on the bottom right corner of our screen, you will see this kind of chat box, right? When you click it, that's right. This is, we call it chat widget. You can actually go in there, right? You can go in there, and you can actually just grab some few copy paste code, and you can just put it into your website or funnels, blog site, anywhere. Then you will have this chat widget right off. It's very easy to use it, guys. Even though you are not techie person, it's totally okay. It's very easy to use. So that is how you can utilize our sites. Now, then what is that after you build a website or courses or anything like that? Yes, we have to collect their people's email, and we have to manage our contact list, right? So if you come to contacts, you can have actually unlimited number of contacts you can actually utilize, and also you can categorize all different people into utilizing simple tags to actually utilize it and send bulk emails, email marketing, newsletters. You can do everything in one single place. How cool is that, right? And also, if you go to marketing tab right here, marketing tab, inside of marketing tab, there's social planner, emails, templates, right? Trigger links, affiliate managers, right? How cool is that? You can also build your own affiliate teams using our GoFunnelBox. You can manage your affiliate warriors in your business inside of our GoFunnelBox too. How cool is that, right? So also one of the best cool part of our GoFunnelBox is we have social manager too. You can connect your Facebook page, you can connect your Facebook groups, and you can actually schedule the post. And okay, also you can see all the statistics here too. So how cool is that, right? That is awesome, guys. That is awesome. Now, I know some people have their own products. Some people are affiliate marketers, some people are coaches, consultants, or any business is totally okay, because you can also connect your Stripe account, your PayPal account to our GoFunnelBox just using one single click. And then you can create your invoices, you can create your own coupons. How cool is that, right? Right out of the box. You can do everything with our GoFunnelBox. Now the best part is, if you go to on the menu bar, all the way bottom, we are constantly keep adding new features inside every single month for your convenience. You don't need to pay any money to any CRM. We are constantly upgrading many services, and you will see it inside our GoFunnelBox community. So for now, if you click onboarding and resources, I'm also constantly putting in many courses inside, so you guys can actually walk through it, and then you guys can actually follow through it, so you know how to use our GoFunnelBox instantly. Even though you are not a tech person, totally fine. Now, and we also have like hundreds of templates, website templates. It's all high converting, high quality websites you can utilize. For example, if you are a website builder, freelancer, in like Fiverr or Upwork, or you are just having your website agency, you can actually utilize our templates to provide value to your clients. How cool is that, right? Because we are constantly upgrading, adding new templates every week, every month for your convenience, right? You have funnel templates here, and we have a mini course where we teach you all the basic you need to build your funnels, how email marketing works, automation, how to build a calendar properly, and also I give you also my business template that I used last year to build a six-figure business, and I'm keep adding it every single month, guys, for all of you. So it's very easy to manage. So here's the thing, guys. Think about it. Right now, you can actually run your business in one single place. GoFunnelBox is all about your home office. One single place. This is your business platform. You manage everything here in one single place. You don't need to go into another tab. You don't need to open another tab to actually run your business. It's very daunting. It's not inconvenient, right? It's not convenient, right? So here's the thing, guys. If you are paying any money to any subscription to any software right now, stop paying right now. The best part of our GoFunnelBox is we only charge one-time payment for lifetime access. Okay? One-time payment for lifetime access. You pay once, you use it forever. That is the really awesome about our GoFunnelBox. So, but you have to remember that there will be some upgrading in our business in the future very soon. But if you can hop in right now, you will get the other benefits that that people are getting right now. Right? You pay once, you use it forever. How cool is that? Stop paying any money, monthly fees to software right now. All you need to do is just pay once. Use it forever in your business. Save your money, guys. So GoFunnelBox that's what we are doing right now. We are trying to solve one of the big problems in this market. What was it? When you're beginning out, if you are building your business right off in scratch, how long is it going to take you actually create an income? It takes a while, right? But still, you have to pay all these expenses. Well, it's very daunting. I was in your spot not long ago. So that is why we create our GoFunnelBox to help many people as we can, so we can help you to save your money. So that is what GoFunnelBox is. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is our GoFunnelBox is not just a software. We have a really great community, which I'm going to show you right now. Now, I'm going to show you our community, how everything works. Now, as I said, our GoFunnelBox is not just a software. We are not selling software. As I said, we are here to help you to save your money. Then, how does our community works? We are actually selling community, guys, right? Because we are here to help you support you to be successful in your business. So this is our private community, only members only community. Right now, inside our GoFunnelBox community, I run a weekly coaching call to help you to actually how to utilize your software, how to build a funnel properly, what is funnel concepts, how does it really do email marketing right now? Because as we know, email marketing is dead. We all know it, but then how does it the email marketing works right now? The trending way of doing it, new way of doing it. We teach you everything inside. We are not just here to like, hey, just use my software here and that and here and that. No, that's not what we are here for. Our GoFunnelBox is actually a community. It's not just a software. We are here to support you how to actually drive traffic. Think about it. Even though you build so enticing funnel or website, if no one's going to see it, it's useless, right? That's right. So we added another weekly coaching call where we teach you how to really utilize paid ads, how to actually use organic method to drive traffic in your business so you can be successful. So you can utilize your automated system using our GoFunnelBox to actually nurture people and turn them into buyers on autopilot. That's right. So that is what we are here. We support you all the way. So I hope you and you join our GoFunnelBox, and I hope you come to our community and work with us so we can help you and support you so you can be successful in